For over more than 10 years, the MEMlab platform has supported Suez in designing and operating membrane installations with specialized laboratory instruments, demonstrative pilot units, and a committed team of experts. With a supplier-neutral approach and a knowledge base built on more than 200 diagnostics of ultrafiltration, nanofiltration, and reverse osmosis membranes, MEMlab experts conduct both research and field support activities. Recent innovation projects have also added experience with electrodialysis membrane technology for resource recovery from brine discharges. Accelerated aging pilot units can be equipped with full-scale membrane modules to simulate 10 years of exposure to mechanical and chemical wear in 3 to 6 months. A well-established procedure is used to benchmark different products and determine the residual lifetime of modules collected from the field. For the Asian market, MEMlab teams contributed to the screening of 200 local products to diversify Suez supply options. In drinking water and reuse applications, MEMlab capabilities are coupled with those of Suez laboratories to evaluate pathogens and emerging contaminants removal. In France, this approach produced the data required for the regulatory approval of the first application of nanofiltration membranes to treat perchlorates, nickel, and hardness in groundwater. Membrane diagnosis can also be extremely valuable in negotiations with suppliers. In a 145 mld desalination plant, our analysis demonstrated that performance issues were due to manufacturing defects, leading to the supplier replacement of 2,000 modules valued at 800,000 euros. Bench scale units are used to define the best cleaning strategy in terms of frequency, duration, and chemicals. Finally, MEMlab experts work closely with other Suez teams leveraging expertise on materials science and conventional treatment to ensure an optimal integration of membranes in the production chain. Membranes are a key enabler to ensure safe water production from resources such as polluted rivers, seawater, and wastewater. With the MEMlab platform and associated digital support tools, Suez can offer a high level of support to partners and clients seeking to identify the best technology for their membrane operations.